What is atomic structure? What are atoms, protons, and neutrons?
Scientifically speaking, atom is the smallest constituent unit of any kind of matter. More simply, atom can be called like Legos of the universe, just like hundreds of different Lego bricks, blocks makes a single structure. Atoms too are very basic building blocks of everything we see around us. Structure of an atom. Everything in the universe is made up of atoms. With modern understanding of science, we have established a certain facts about the nature of atoms. We know that atomic nucleus is made up of three basic parts. They are protons, positively charged, neutrons, neutrally charged, electrons, which are negatively charged and it is not part of the nucleus. Protons. A proton is a positively charged part of the nucleus and is an essential part of any element's chemical properties. A number of protons in an atom determines the number of each element. Atom's identity is determined by its atomic number. Atomic number is defined as a number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, for example, oxygen. The most essential gas for human survival has an atomic number 8 and its nucleus has 8 protons. Neutrons. Neutrons are chargeless constituent subatomic particles of an atom. A neutron is also called nucleon. Inside the nucleus, both neutrons and protons work similarly, hence, they both have equal masses. The properties of an atom are also determined by the number of neutrons in its nucleus. Neutrons play a big part in emission of nuclear energy during the decades after the discovery. Scientists use neutrons to power a lot of nuclear experiments. Electrons. Electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles of an atom. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in orbits. These orbits are divided into suborbits and further into orbitals. The innermost orbits have the least energy level and the least number of electrons. On moving outwards, the energy levels of the orbitals increases and the number of electrons also increases. At these higher energy levels, the orbits divide into more suborbital, hence allowing more electrons to be added to their orbit. The negatively charge of an electron is the negative of the magnitude of the positive charge of proton. And we know that a subatom always has a neutral charge for the chargeless condition to be possible. The number of protons must always be equal to the number of electrons. Due to this, the total charge of the atom will be equal to 0. We have several atomic models. They are listed below. J. Thomson atomic model, also called plum pudding model. Rutherford's atomic model, Bohr's atomic model, quantum mechanical atomic model. J. Thomson's atomic model, also called the plum pudding model. The first model of atom was represented by J. Thomson. He represented the plum pudding model. This model of the atom, the positively charged part was spread out over a total volume of the atom and the electrons seemed to be embedded inside a bowl of positively charged pudding and the electrons were compared to plums. It's clear to see why this interpretation of atomic structure has been compared to a bowl of plum pudding. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content on chemistry.